Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Phenom, where we uncover the most fascinating facts from history to science. Today, we're diving into one of the deadliest pandemics the world has ever seen, the Spanish flu. From its mysterious origins to its global impact, join me as we explore this historic event from A to Z. The year was 1918, and the world was already in turmoil due to the Great War. But little did anyone know, a new adversary was about to emerge, one that would claim more lives than the war itself, the Spanish flu. Despite its name, the Spanish flu didn't originate in Spain. The pandemic was caused by the H1N1 influenza A virus. It was a silent killer that spread rapidly across continents, infecting about one-third of the global population. That's an estimated 500 million people. The flu came in waves, with the second wave being the most deadly. It didn't discriminate, affecting the young and old, the healthy and the sick, the rich and the poor. With no vaccines or effective treatments available, the world was caught off guard. Cities were paralyzed. Schools, theaters, and churches closed their doors. People were ordered to wear masks, and makeshift morgues were overwhelmed. The Spanish flu's symptoms were brutal: high fever, chills, and fatigue. Many who caught the virus recovered after several days, but for others, it was fatal. The death toll is estimated to be between 17 to 50 million, possibly even as high as 100 million. What made the Spanish flu so deadly? It triggered a cytokine storm, where the body's immune system overreacts, often ravaging the stronger immune systems of young adults. As 1919 turned into 1920, the Spanish flu pandemic gradually came to an end. The virus had infected millions and had a profound impact on the world, but how did it finally resolve? The end of the Spanish flu pandemic was not the result of a single solution or vaccine. Instead, it was a combination of factors that led to its decline. As people developed immunity, either through infection or exposure, the virus had fewer hosts to infect. Additionally, the end of World War I reduced the mass movements of troops, which had been a significant factor in the virus's spread. The heroes of this story were the healthcare workers, volunteers, and scientists who worked tirelessly to care for the sick and search for solutions. The Red Cross created a national committee on influenza, mobilizing forces to fight the pandemic. Nurses, doctors, and volunteers were the frontline warriors, providing care in the face of overwhelming odds. While many unsung heroes contributed to the fight against the Spanish flu, some notable individuals played key roles. For example, William H. Welch, former president of the American Medical Association, led a team that studied the epidemic and sought ways to treat it. Their efforts laid the groundwork for future research into influenza and its treatment. Thank you for tuning into Phenom. If you want to learn more about the Spanish flu and other historical events, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.